type of dinosaur, Velociraptor. Their bodies are kept warm by feathers, but they can't fly. They are, however, exceptionally agile. And just as well. One false step here could bring disaster. The pterosaurs are skittish. They will take to the air at the first sign of danger. If the velociraptors are to get a meal, the element of surprise will be crucial. Lightweight bodies and feathered arms help them to control their descent, and their broad tails assist them in keeping their balance. Those pterosaurs